Yes, I'll tell you, these are powerfully strong numbers for housing. Our February new home sales number, 765,000. That's seasonally adjusted annualized units. Now, many are going to say, well, you know, that's down a bit from where we were thinking we were going, 770s, but this is the best number really since July of 2007. Last month it's 764, this month it's 765. These are truly strong numbers. Now, we did have numbers that were already out. March preliminary numbers, 49.2 was on the PMI. On the service side, it was 39.1. These are the lowest numbers ever. Now, keep in mind, this series started, I believe, in early 2017, so these are cycle low. They've never been lower, and the composite number becomes 40.5. So not very good there, but what would one expect? And finally, our most current read will be a March read on Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index. We're expecting a number at minus 13. We ended up with a positive number at 2. So that isn't bad when you consider it. And Diana, I'd like to go to you. These numbers, 765,000 last month. Okay, now it makes sense. I saw a revision that said down, but last month was 764. They upped it to 800,000. So these numbers are going well back into the 2006, 2007 era. Why don't you comment on them, Diana?
Yeah, this is an incredibly strong beat for February new home sales, and it's what we were seeing in the existing home sales as well, that this was set up to be an amazing spring for the housing market. You saw a lot of foot traffic out early. One thing I want to note is that these numbers are based on signed contracts in February, not closings. So it was people out shopping during the month and signing those contracts, and that was when coronavirus was definitely on the radar, but nothing like it is today. So while these numbers are certainly not irrelevant, they are going to change quickly. So I want to talk a little bit about what the builders are telling us now after seeing this incredible February, which they did talk about. I spoke with Cheryl Palmer, the CEO of Taylor Morrison Homes. She said that crews are still out building and that the sales offices, while locked, they are doing a lot of private showings and they are seeing strong demand. Now, Lennar, in their conference call for their quarterly earnings last week, Stuart Miller, the chairman, said that even in the current environment, we are still selling homes. And he said something interesting. He said, we are seeing slower foot traffic, but higher conversion rates. That means that the people who are coming out to look at the homes, they are serious buyers and they are converting to contracts much more quickly than usual. So again, you know, it's like I said with the existing home sales, it was set up to be a powerful spring in the housing market. Will this demand be pushed to the fall? Possibly. We certainly hope so. But we are seeing slower foot traffic. We're hearing it from the real estate agents. We're hearing it from the builders. So don't expect these numbers to get better over the next couple of months. They're likely going to get worse. Again, if they get pushed back to the fall, that demand, that would be great.